I'm here in the RV cooking up some spaghetti sauce for dinner, and I thought I'd just bring you along. Hi guys, it's Joey from Our Mobile Back. I'm here in the RV cooking up some spaghetti sauce for dinner, and I thought I'd just bring you along for a little bit. In my pot I got sizzling my onions and peppers and mushrooms, chicken feta and cheese, and chicken andouille sausage going in the pot shortly. Some tomatoes, diced tomatoes, and a marinara sauce. We're going to whip that all up and see how it comes out. So just add the andouille sausage and the feta spinach sausage to my pot. Let's see what's going on with it. Sizzling up. We're going to add the tomatoes and the marinara sauce and some seasoning, some garlic, a little bit of salt, pepper, onion powder. And I like to add a little bit of chili flakes to the pot to give it some nice little bump. Oh yeah, and my little bottle of red wine, I usually add about a half a cup of that to my sauce just to give it a little touch of flavor. A pot full of simmering goodness. Smells delicious. Next is decide what we're going to put on it, whether it's spaghetti squash, zoodles, or maybe even some pasta. We're not sure yet, but it's all good. Smelling good, looking good, bubbling good. One pot spaghetti sauce ready for dinner. Well guys, we made that decision for which pasta or spaghetti squash or zoodles we were going to have for dinner. I'm going with spaghetti squash, and Mike's going to go with pasta. So I just prepped up my spaghetti squash in the Instant Pot and cut it in quarters, added a cup of water, and when the time comes, I'm going to turn the generator on and then cook it for about 7 minutes. When it's all done, it'll come right out of the shell, all ready for that pasta sauce. Looking forward to it. Do this, and then you just scrape it right out of the skin, and you're ready for dinner. You've got your little spaghetti squash, and it's not all moist and soggy. Very easy to do once it comes out of the Instant Pot. Okay, so dinner is ready. We're gonna get it some sauce. Yum.
How thick that sauce is.
I know.
Ooh,
Looks so good. Looks so good.
Really good.
Over the spaghetti, what is it? Spaghetti squash. I forgot what it was. Over spaghetti squash. Make sure we have nice thick sauce. And we are ready for dinner here on this, after the rainy weather, beautiful sunset, cool night. Little Parmesan cheese, and we're chowing down.